I did not expect this. This is actually needed when you get a crypto Tag Zeus. I didn't think I would even think that you would need this. It's just so stylish. Just look at this. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm flabbergasted. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today I'm unboxing the Crypto Tag Stack Sack. This is a PU leather case for the Crypto Tag Zeus. I've got another unboxing of that video, do check that out. This is basically a part 2. This is why this is all just in front of me already opened, because normally obviously you know that I actually open the box first to give you that experience of actually unboxing with me. Anyways, just to show you some stuff, they do give this in the box. This is for the hodlers. I love it. This is basically their tagline. It might be even copyright to them. And a thank you for purchasing this exclusive CryptoTag product. Very, very nice personal touch in my opinion. I like this. I like it when companies do this. Yeah, anyways, on top of that, you can see how great their customer service is. They even feed you. Look at, just check this out. They even feed you. Hopefully you guys can see that. If not, you guys can see it there. It's a Stroop waffle, the authentic Dutch one, a caramel flavor, and it expires in September. So yeah, they're not expired goods that they give. It's actually great. This, by the way, this tastes delicious as well. I just want to point out I do already have some of the other products because I'm actually a customer of theirs, obviously. And on top of that, I want to be fully transparent. They provided me with this, the Crypto Zeus and this PU stack sack, just so I can show you all and review it and do an unboxing and stuff. So yeah, this, I'm not sponsored or anything. It's just that they did give me this without payment and stuff, obviously. So yeah. Anyways, let's go on to the actual product. So this is for the hodlers. Their tagline. Ooh, look at this. I didn't see that. They've got the little brand there. Okay. Ooh, stack sack. By the way, this is the first time I'm actually looking at this whole thing as well. Stack sack. Okay, let's cut this up. Ooh, my knife is being used so much on my unboxings now that it's starting to have some wear and tear on it. Ooh, that was a nice little cut there. I think that's sufficient. I can now peel it like this. Lovely, lovely, javely, lol. Anyways, very slim. This is very slim. Why is that, you may ask? Because the Crypto Zeus, the Crypto Tag Zeus is very small as well. My hands are pretty small, and I'll show you in a few minutes. But anyways, okay, there's nothing else in there. This is the product. Ooh, oh my god. Do you know what? I love the fact that it's debossed. I love stuff like this. Do you know what? I think I'm probably like their perfect customer, because I love stuff like this, and like the artistry. I like art. As you guys know that I'm a digital artist and I make art as well, like NFTs and stuff, and just like conceptual designs and stuff. But yeah, look at this, is so pretty. I actually love that. It's good quality. Just trying to see if this would tear and stuff. Okay, ooh. This is a very, very tough right now. Obviously, you need to wear it in, don't you? And just to show you the crypto tag here, this is what I unboxed in the other video. I'm gonna try and put this into this because it's a very snug fit in my opinion. It's very, very tight right now. So let's see if this goes in. Very, very snug. This actually fits the Crypto Tag Zeus and the Thor, so it should fit both of them. There we go. So that's 2 of their products. Do note that I do have an affiliate link down below if you did want to purchase this or anything on their website. My affiliate link works. So do click on that and check it out. I'm just trying to do some tests here, really. This is so nice. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually something that you can just carry around with you. You know, I've mentioned in my video of unboxing the crypto tag Zeus the fact that you don't really carry this around, but this actually is stylish. That's crazy. By the way, I didn't expect that from this. I've not owned this stack sack because I didn't see no reason to buy it, right? But now that I have it, okay, let's see. This is a real test. Okay, that was a bit of a struggle to take out. That's good because at the end of the day, you don't want to fall out if you just randomly do take it out. But yeah, I like this. But yeah, sorry, I just need to one more test for both of our sakes. Very, very smooth. It's very, very tight. I like the fit. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, do pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I do quite a few unboxings, and my channel is mainly about like crypto and like many other topics actually. But yeah, cybersecurity, blah 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 blah. Anyways, if you do have anything that you want to say to me, do comment down below. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take it all. Bye bye.